Greetings to all the plant mamas and plant papas out there. Hope everybody's bringing home them roots, bringing home them plants. And if you're new here, my name is Mickey, and welcome to Wicked Natty Roots, a channel where we bring you some of the beauty that nature does have to offer. And in this video, you'll see some footage that was filmed way before this channel was created. It was all a vision at one point, and with the support of my amazing and beautiful girlfriend, Olivia, we created this channel, and you'll see more of her on this channel. She is the plant whisperer. So in this video, you'll see a little bit about where I'm from, plants, vegetation, even some plant shopping. Stay till the end too. I'll show you guys how we got some plants onto the plane. And this is Puerto Rico and them plants. Hope you guys enjoy, travel well, and travel often. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. It's about 6:40 a.m. in Villalba, Puerto Rico, and we're at my dad's house. I haven't been here since about March, so this is December 9th right now, and just want to show you an extension of the beauty that Puerto Rico has to offer. And just want to show you guys. There's Olivia brushing the teeth, and the most beautiful view. Check it out. Check it out, check it out. Rooster's going. Pa, y ese palo ahí que estaba, ese palo ahí no estaba en marzo, ¿verdad que no?
¿Qué palo?
This tree right here.
Sobre lechosa.
Papaya?
Papaya?
Yeah.
I think it was there, but it was small.
Wow.
No estaba ahí.
We were here in March, and that tree was not there, so 9 months it took for that tree to grow. Papaya, delicious.
Yeah.
Check it out. This is where I come to disconnect, to connect back with nature. And this is where you pretty much come and get some great meditation, and I do some of my best thinking here. In between where we are and all that up there, there's land, there's a waterfall in the middle, more avocado trees. Up there, more of the coffee and the mango trees. And that's my father's brother's house. Check this out. Talk about new growth. To be continued. I'll take you guys on a tour. There you go. Getting ready to work. Hey. Alright. Alright guys, see you guys soon. Alright. Talk about natty roots. We're surrounded by it here.
Unos líricos, son hacer del álbum. Blanco
¿Cuáles?
y lila. Blanco, esa. Me está echando agua. Blanco y violeta.
The plant back there flowers white and purple, violet. Looks like I'm gonna get my plant identifier out. But it got some cool leaves. It's not an agave, I don't think. It's just another species you're interested in, and it just amazes me how the plants just climb up and look what it gives you, some staghorn fern. Wow. Oregano. Mira. Riquísimo. Puerto riquísimo. Puerto Rico is rich. They don't call it the island of enchantment or anything. Rich port, Puerto Rico. And look what it's rich of. The most important thing that can't be bought. Nature. Beauty. Magic. Natural. Natty. Natty roots. All that. Oh wow. Alright. We're gonna leave it right there. We're gonna come right back. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Look at those beauties. Look at that. These are the poinsettias, guys. Right there. We'll come back to you, but we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk. ¿Cómo?
¿Cómo que se llaman?
Esas son, ¿qué son esas?
Sí.
Oh, pomegranate?
Pomegranate.
Oh, what? Oh, come back to you too. I like you. Look at that. Pomegranate. Birds of birders. Oh. Nice. Look at those just sitting pretty. New growth. Everywhere. Look at that. Bam. Use that as a surfboard. Alright, we'll come back to you guys.
Mira. Mira. Mira.
Right from the mountains.
Those
Now
are
that's what I call spinach. Right there. Vinieron de aquí.
Yeah.
Alright, show you guys where it came from. Right there. Right there. It's right there. Spinach. Get you some. There you go, love. Look at that. What do you got there?
I got a big spinach leaf.
That's how you eat spinach. Bromeliads. And some more bromeliads. Looks to be like ferns. So cool. Just a flower right in the middle. Amazing. I can't get over it. Flamingos. I know that's the philodendron rubicin red cardinal, I want to say, over there.
Todas son naturales.
The Hilo Beauty, I believe.
Del monte.
Getting better. All from the mountains. I want to see. Look at this is what I was talking about right here. Philodendron. So last time imported one from Puerto Rico, didn't know what it was. Yeah, I'm telling you, that's Villalba. You guys know Villalba. Red petioles. New leaf emerging. Couple new. This thing just keeps on giving. This is one of my favorite philodendrons because I got to see how it grew, what it liked, and its nature of it, and I love it. I haven't seen it in big box shops, but I have seen them on Etsy dealers, and if you don't have one, I do recommend it. It is just a awesome grower. Love the way it grows. Pothos surrounding it. Surround your plants. Talk about surrounding plants with other plants. You got your ZZs. This thing grew there. It was born on itself. The plant was born there. Good for the kidneys. You boil it. Nature is not only beautiful, but it's medicinal. Look at that. We got my pops explaining a little bit about his plant collection. Look like Kunzo over here. Look at all these. And then now time to feed the koi fish. Koi fish are magical. If you're into koi fish, I am too. I used to collect them, but my dad is an avid collector. Yeah. So cool. Just rubbing them. Hey, nice. Those three grayling were about 3 inches. They came straight from the river. 17 inches.
Mira. Bien.
Come on, hey. One almost got my finger over here. Beautiful color. Grand risings. Another beautiful day in Puerto Rico. And the cute chickens and roosters. Check it out. So awesome. The alarm clock, oh, is dead. Giving him some corn for breakfast. That looks like a Dracaena I've seen at Home Depot before. The Sunny or something like that. Dracaena. Some crotons there. And also Syngoniums everywhere that we imported last time we were here. Sure, you haven't been down here in a while, but this is one way to get from up there where the balcony is in the back to the jungle. And check this out, guys. Those are pothos. Just aerial roots just naturally everywhere. And look at that. I'm gonna try to get some cuttings and build a wall. Look at that. Easily be rooted. Look at those aerial roots just growing in nature. Look at that. Wow. I mean, you do see these in Home Depot, big box shops, and Etsy, but these are just super mature. But look at that. And they just grow. Look at it. Some cute looking batik. It does look like batiks, Syngoniums. Just new growth everywhere. It just reminds us of the new growth that we have in life when we connect correctly with nature. You know, it just kind of reminds us of how we renew ourselves by getting aerial roots, and this is a big part of why I love plants. A reflection of what we are: beauty, growth, and nature, and resilient. We as humans are resilient to change, you know, adaptive to change. We acclimate. See, you got some naturally growing plants that you see commonly in houseplant stores, common, uncommon. See some banana plants. There you see the variegated banana, which is, I believe, like a busu. Some more syngoniums down there. You see that? Those grow so nice in the wild and in our home. Oh, here's a nice example here of the banana plant. So soft, kind of like we are too, right? We could be rough, we could be soft. And we'll be back. We're gonna bring you some more footage of some beauty. Look at that. Amazing. This is Puerto Rico, guys. Alright, just waiting for the sun to rise above the mountain top there, above the horizon. As you can see, lush green. Look at all that green. Look at that. The sun illuminating that mountaintop in the distance. Alright, yellow, red, yellow, green. There we go.
¿Verdad que sí? ¿Ves? Y no te lleva tanta culpa. ¿Viste?
Wow. Now look at that, the texture. I've never tasted anything better. Oh, we're gonna give it to the universe.
¿Ya?
Giving it back. What you give comes back. Abrirla.
Así mismo. Mira, ¿ves? Está el corazoncito.
Wow, that is the heart. That's a big heart. Giving all the good stuff. Look at that, getting the goodies in the bag. You best believe it. Stay strong, right?
Yeah.
Stay strong.
Woo!
All right, to the next one.
Yeah.
So we got the goodies right here. Soursop, fresh soursop, GOOD, so good. What does soursop taste like? Like, can't, you know, it's hard to explain.
It's like lychee, but sour.
Sour and sweet like this, huh? You said they tasted like Sour Patch Kids?
A mild sour patch kid.
A mild Sour Patch Kid. Perfect. I think that's a perfect definition, like a description. There you have it. Soursop tastes like Sour Patch Kids. Woo! There it is. Ready to go for the morning. A little pre-workout, post-workout. Soursop, get you some. has spoken. The earth is about to give birth, guys. Aquí mismo. Okay. Ahí, sigo así.
Sí, dale para abajo. La otra, la pala, como cuando cogí el ajo allá en Guabate.
There it is. Showing you guys how deep it really gets with nature and how to connect with it. This is how we supposed to get some food out the ground, make this earth give birth. All right, guys, the earth have gave birth. This is yummy. This is going right in the stew with rice and beans. It's like a yuca, but delicious. Oh yeah, some olive oil, garlic, onions, tomatoes, whatever, oregano, parsley, whatever you want to put on that. Yummy right there. This weighs about 3 pounds. Whole Foods. How you like that, yummy? I know you got apples, but this is all right. That was the old school way of survival of the fittest. That was a workout. Well worth it. Okay. Here's my dad. Grabbing. Oh, where'd it go? Okay, I gotta go get that one. I gotta catch it. Okay. Strike one. Come on, we gotta hit a home run here. Ah, right there, guys. I'm gonna go get it. We're gonna give it back to the universe.
David.
Yeah.
Está duro. David.
Ese era.
Ah, sí.
Huh? Okay.
Date que te pica el zancudo ahí.
All right. On to the next one. Let's go. Let's go.
¿Dónde? ¿De Pedro para el suyo? Voy de acá. No, pues tengo que bajar de aquí, ¿no?
They already have the structure for greenhouses down there. Those are greenhouses at one point. guys, that was the intro to this adventure, and we're gonna go.
Where are we though? This area.
We're in El Barrio de Camarones, which is where my grandfather, whose name is Marcelino, which is my name, is Marcelino, and my grandfather and grandmother lived in this region of Villalba in Puerto Rico, and this is where they grew up. This is where my parents grew up. This is where my aunts grew up. This is where my uncles all played, basically. Went to school, worked, and this is where the magic all happened. So we're just exploring, trying to get a piece of history, trying to picture what it was like back then. Don't know where I'm going, but this place looks cool. Okay, told you so. Look at that. Baseball fields, basketball courts, greenhouses that were once greenhouses that just leaned a little TLC. Can't wait to bring you guys some more footage. We're going to, believe it or not, Home Depot. We're gonna show you what kind of plants Home Depot in Puerto Rico has.
Check out these roads.
Wow, wow, wow.
Two-way road. No lights. No barriers.
Hit that subscribe button, like that video, give it a thumbs up, smash it, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, we'll start with these right here. Very different kind of bromeliads, they look like. They almost look like a Dracaena. And these are $11.98. Not bad. Some more bromeliads. Nice dark foliage. All $11.98. Oh wow. Staghorn fern, guys. Healthy as ever. $7.98. Oh. Add on Sinai ice. $8.98. Look at the fenestrations on those. Easily grown in this climate. Monsteras. Deliciosos. Check those out. Palea. Looking good. Check those beautiful trailing plants. Very impressive. Peperomias. Looking nice and healthy. Calatheas. Oh, that's Calathea ornata. Big fan of that. Calathea dotty. Mercury's. Freddy. Where you at? Pretty impressive. Alright, we'll start with the Sansevierias in here. The succulent family. Some waffle plants. Begoniums. I really like these. Oh yeah, the friendship plant. Pretty impressive, I tell you. I didn't know what to expect at a Walmart, especially at Puerto Rico. And I am pretty impressed. Blaze are looking good. Look at all that greenery. A little rattlesnake plant action here. Alright. Still at Walmart, and look at this philodendron Xanadu. Oh, boom. Look at that. What? The coleus is right there, $3.67. Not bad at all. Songs of India, $3.67. And we have the orchids.
I've never seen ones like this.
Beautiful.
The, what's it say? Tongue chai gold.
Nice. These orchids.
16 bucks.
16 bucks?
Yeah.
Such a good deal. Oh yeah, baby. Add on tiny eyes. Right there. $12.97. Great price on that. Yeah, look at this. This one started to vine, started to trail. You got some palm trees everywhere you look. Variegated snake plants, dracaenas, mala madre. 82 cents. Bam! More spider plants and monsteras up there. And we're gonna go and enjoy it. Look at that. Just beautiful. Beauty everywhere you look. That's the idea, guys. Bring it home. Plants, get you some. Hey!
Only this one.
Only me right here.
Only
Right here.
the plant daddy.
Plant daddy.
It's crazy, dude.
I got my shoes.
Good night.
Yeah.
Checking the rice and beans, making sure no pork is in there.
Oh, the planties made it.
That's the happy dance. We're heading toward the terminal.
We made it through security.
Plant daddy. Boo, look at that. Guys, you know, I never thought it was possible to bring this many plants over the border. No border. You know, you want to bring a plant home? Bring a plant home. You want to bring 2 plants home? Bring 2 plants home. Bring the roots home. All right. Made it. See that, guys?
There you go.
You know,
In front of me.
it
Made it.
was an adventure, a journey. We got
Now
ourselves.
we'll see how it makes in the cold.
Yep. So we're gonna be. I don't know what we're gonna be doing with these. Rooting them, potting them,
Rooting them.
propagating them, all sorts of fun stuff. And again,
Rooting for sure.
yes, they're rooting for us. Just the way we're rooting for
We're
them.
on the plane.
All right.
Oh, that was our plane over there.
Yes. We'll be back to Puerto Rico and showing you guys.
To be continued.
Yes, to be continued. It's been a long flight and much love, peace, love, and plants.